Welcome to the AI Micro Training Series, where in just 2 minutes you'll level up the way you use ChatGPT. My name is Harrison Painter, the avatar version of the #1 AI expert trainer in Indiana. And today, I'm about to fix one of the biggest mistakes people make with AI. If you've ever typed a question into ChatGPT and got a useless generic answer, you're not alone. AI isn't the problem. The way you prompt it is. Most people treat AI like Google, throwing in vague questions and hoping for the best. But AI isn't a search engine, it's a thinking partner. And when you know how to prompt it with precision, AI becomes a game changer. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to fix your prompts, so ChatGPT gives you clear, useful, and laser-focused answers. We're going to take a weak, generic prompt and transform it into a high-impact request that gets real results. Ready to step up your AI game? Let's do this! It's time to make ChatGPT work for you. Here's what most people do wrong. They type in a weak prompt like, "Tell me about marketing strategies," and here's the response. It does give you a nice template to work from, but it's generic, surface level, and nothing you couldn't Google. Now watch what happens when we get precise. Instead of a vague request, we give AI a clear role, a specific goal, and real context. Try this prompt instead. You are a growth marketing strategist. My company sells cutting-edge AI-driven SEO services. I need a creative campaign targeting marketing directors that work at medium-sized companies in Kansas City. Give me 3 strategies with real-world examples. And just like that, ChatGPT gives us a response that's detailed, useful, and actually actionable. Check out these results. How cool is this? This is a targeted and precise concept. An AI-driven SEO campaign for marketing directors in Kansas City. Marketing directors at mid-sized companies are results-driven and skeptical of AI's impact on SEO. Your campaign needs to showcase clear benefits, practical use cases, and local relevance to earn trust and drive conversions. Here are 3 high-impact strategies with real-world examples. And you will see it walks you through each one. The first one is Kansas City SEO Challenge. Gamify the AI advantage. It gives you a concept and even shows you how to execute. It even offers a real-world example. It also offers up 2 more concepts. That should be more than enough to get the creativity flowing for you and your team. Concept 2 is Kansas City SEO Pulse. AI-powered local search insights. Marketing directors love data. So publish an exclusive AI-generated Kansas City SEO report showing industry trends, top local competitors, and missed keyword opportunities. And third, an SEO Growth Night, AI-optimized networking event. The concept: marketing directors value face-to-face connections. Host an exclusive AI and SEO Growth Night in Kansas City, where you show live AI-powered SEO improvements on attendee websites, feature a local marketing leader sharing SEO success stories, offer a one-night-only incentive for businesses that sign up. Are you finding this valuable? Do you see the difference? AI is only as smart as the instructions you give it. Let's wrap this up. Your 3 key takeaways are: 1. Be crystal clear about what you want. Instead of, "Give me a social media post," try, "Write a LinkedIn post for B2B sales leaders about closing high-ticket deals." 2. Add context and constraints. If you want a short, engaging post, tell AI, "Write this in a professional but approachable tone. Keep it under 100 words." And 3. Don't settle for the first response. Ask for refinements like, "Make this sound more persuasive and engaging." Try this right now. Take a vague prompt you've used before and rewrite it using these 3 steps. Drop it into ChatGPT and compare the difference. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. My name is Harrison Painter, and as always, keep innovating, keep creating, and keep up.
AI is coming, and you need this light. What? This is our anthem. We're pulling for you. We're blazing ahead. Gonna see you